In this episode, we will get a look at the finished layout of the boot install.
Designed to impress.
The side panels are wrapped in black vinyl using spray contact adhesive. The side panels and floor panel are installed into the vehicle so that the batteries can be mounted. The top floor is fitted and the wires are ran through this panel. The top amp mount is installed and the amp is then mounted. Wires are ran and the batteries are then connected. The top amp trim panel is trimmed only in the center, as this is the only part that will be visible when installed.
Here we go again. Trying hard, but you wanna be my friend. Ain't no place to hide, ain't no one to run to. Here we go again. Call my bluff, I'ma be here till the end. I'm the one you ride, I'm the one you ride to. If you don't wanna change, can help you out. I can
All necessary wires are fitted to the side amps.
help you out. I can help you out. I can help you out. I can help you out. Here we go again. Time is up and I'm calling up my friends. Ain't no wonder why, ain't no wonder I too. Here we go again. Call me up and you wanna be my friend.
Bottom amp mount is installed and secured into place. This will house the distribution blocks and the bottom amp.
Wanna change, ain't no place to hide, ain't no one to run to. If you don't wanna change, I can help you out. 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 I can help you.
The distribution blocks and bottom amp can now be mounted.
Look, if you don't wanna change, ain't no place to hide, ain't no one to run to. If you don't wanna change, I can help you out. 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 I can help you out.
The bottom trim panel is wrapped in black vinyl. More wiring is done to connect up the amplifiers and RCAs. All trims can then be installed and the boot install layout is now complete. So the boot is basically 90% done now, or 98% done. All I've got to do is a few little logos up on this bit here. I've got to polish that, put a number plate logo in there, and a couple of D2I frosted logos in each side over the fuse covers, and that's all it needs doing now. So I've finally got it to this stage. The customer actually come and had a look. He's pretty happy with it. Had a bit of a play, showed him the subs and that, because I've hooked them up and I've tuned the amps for now. Haven't tuned any of the 4 channels because I'm waiting on speakers and stuff like that, so I can actually do it and tune it all properly and see what final load I've got and tune it to that load and that sort of thing. But for now, the boot's done. Just going to start the doors next, the doors and the parcel shelf. There'll be a little bit of a wait because I'm still waiting on speakers. There's been a bit of a stuff around with all the speakers and things, so the joys that go with it. But hopefully we'll get them done over the next few weeks, depending on when the speakers can come, and yeah, get this thing finalised and actually have a full play. I'm keen to get these doors started because we're putting 6 speakers in each front door, so 6 in the right and 6 in the left, and then another 6 in the parcel shelf. Well, 3 ways, so not technically 6 speakers, but a mid, a woofer, a mid, and a small tweeter in each. So 2 sets in each door. So pretty keen to do those doors and get them started, because it's going to be a lot of custom fabrication work, and yeah, just continuing the theme of the black and the yellow, maybe some lighting depending how I go, see how much room I've got. By the time I put all the speakers in, it might be a bit limited, but for now I'm happy to get to this stage and have this basically ticked off the list, because this was a big part of the install, getting all the power wires run and all the fuses, and just doing that, just the wiring on it alone took me, I think, nearly 2 days just to get everything through all the holes and through all the cavities and cable tied and all done neat and onto the batteries and into the fuses and things like that. So a bit of a time consuming process, but that's what happens. That's what these custom jobs are all about. So stay tuned for the next episode where we continue with the XR6 taxi build and get a start on the doors and the parcel shelf.